welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola! Welcome back to my channel, DIY with Anais. I hope you're doing amazing today. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to go in and show y'all how I did this beautiful look using these C-curved, straight, squared nails that I got from the Additude shop. And we're going to go in with a simple polygel look. However, we are doing like foils underneath, kind of like an ombre fade. So I'm going to be using Jelly Nails products when it comes to the foils. And I have a code, Anais 10%. Make sure you use that code so you can save some money. You're supporting small businesses and women-owned businesses. So that is a score. So make sure you do that, y'all, with my code. We're going in with Saviland, like this really light purple. I think it's called light purple. And then we're just going to mix some foils up and use a gem pod that also is from Jelly Nails. So I prepped my nails using the Red Iguana hand. I used Burano 3-in-1, which you can use as nail glue, as like slip solution, or as a base. So I did all that is all set. I didn't want to mess my nails up because I did like a refill. So I went ahead and just put clear, and I'm starting with clear because I want my ombre, because you know how like you do white on the bottom and then you ombre the pink down. Well, I actually want to do clear as my base for ombre, and the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm gonna have foils on the clear part. So I went ahead and did the Macart clear and just put that on the bottom of my nail and the tip of my nail going up. So just like sliding the product up, kind of dragging it and just making sure it's nice and even. And then I am just flash curing and doing this to my pinky, my ring, and my index finger. My middle finger, I'm going to leave the complete solid color, so I left that as it is. After I go in with Saviland light purple, and this is one of like the older kits, not gonna lie. It's one of those like purple, you know how they used to have like the purple, the blue, the pink kit. So it was before all that. It came in like one of these other kits. I'll link it down below, but honestly the consistency in these kits were not that great. So I don't miss these products, if you know what I mean. I actually prefer the new Savilands that they have out because their consistency is way better. I alternated from like the slip solution gel to like on 80% alcohol, 70% alcohol, sorry, because I was just like, oh, it's sticking to my brush. Like, if you can tell, it's just a hot nightmare, and it was just, yeah, it was not working out. Anyhow, I'm using the purple and I'm ombreing that down into the clear, and I want it to be as seamless as possible because, as you know, I'm using the foils to basically be the ombre part. So it can't be messy at all. It has to be nice and perfect and very blended. So I really made sure that all of that was nice and secure. finger. A lot of people do this method a different way when it comes to covering the whole entire nail with a solid color. I like to alternate, I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I do, like, these are XXL nails. So sometimes if I have the patience, I want to make it perfect, then I will go in with like 3 beads. Sometimes I'll go in with 2 beads. Now in this occasion, like, I felt pretty confident enough to do 1 bead, and then if I found like anything was lacking, then I would have went in with another bead, which I believe I did. But other than that, like, you do what you feel is best when it comes to this type of look. You don't want to like just copy anyone just because, you know, they did that. Like, you find the method that works for you. So I ended up going in with another bead, because there's like some little parts that need to be filled again, but you know, it's whatever works best for you, and this method worked best for me in this moment, so that's why I did it. But it's not a hard look to do. It was pretty simple, and I really ended up loving how the end result was. After I cured that for about 70 seconds, because this polygel in particular, I don't know why I wasn't curing properly, which is why I had to, you see how that ring finger is all splotchy, is because it was not curing properly. So I went ahead and actually cured that for like more than 60 seconds because it was not working out. But I buff shaped and filed, and boom, girl, look how that looked. I really tried hard to make sure that effect was looking cute. So hope you like that. So I am going in with different files for my index, ring, and pinky. And I am just picking like a couple of foils that are from that kit in particular. I'll link that foil box down below. It's from Jelly Nails. Don't forget to use my code. And I'm basically using the adhesive glue and curing that until it kind of looks like, I don't even know, like plastic is on top of the nail. Like it kind of like crunches up a little bit, and that's how you know like the glue is ready to be like ready to work properly. So I am doing this very sporadically. Like, I didn't have anything planned. I was just like, this I'm gonna aim for. This is what I have in my head, and if it comes out, it comes out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So that's how I am with my looks, I'm not gonna lie. So I just went in very, very sporadically. I went in with like this purple flower. It did not want to cooperate with me, and it was so annoying. Like, I tried so hard to make sure that it ended up being completely transferred. However, it was like, you know, no, it's not working today. So what I did is an easy fix. Like, I went in with some more adhesive glue, and then I just found a bigger flower that would work, and it worked perfectly fine. I ended up actually liking the way that the 2 blue flowers were on top of each other instead of like the blue and the purple. So I liked it. You know, everything works out for the best. So I did this with my ring and my index finger. And like I said, making sure that you're curing that adhesive glue until it starts crinkling up a little bit, and then that's how you know like your glue is ready to have a foil on top of it. So I'll let y'all see how I did it. I didn't do it like too specific on the next finger, on these 2 fingers actually. I just like put the foil on and see what came out. Next, I'm using a jewel pod that she has on her site as well, and just being kind of spontaneous about the gem placement. I am gonna test out her gem glue coming up, so I'm really excited because y'all gonna love that nail look. I already have it planned. This time I have it planned, y'all. I have the nail look planned. Y'all gonna love it. So keep an eye out for that video. Make sure you turn that notification bell because you're not going to want to miss that one. So I am kind of just sporadically placing these little cute gems that I got from her shop as well, and I'll link that down below. And just, it's like a cute little heart and then some surrounding gems, and I thought I was gonna add more, but then I was like, you know what, never mind. I like it just like that. Like, it's nice and simple. The foils do it justice, and that's it. Let's just call it a day. After I cured that for 60 seconds, this is my final look. Look how gorgeous this came out. Like I said, I don't really plan this stuff. Like, I really just put a bunch of colors together and I'm like, all right, this look, I'm gonna do this, and that, and let's see what comes out. So I'm really happy with the way that it came out. It came out better than I imagined. So if you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It really supports channels like mine that are much smaller. And y'all, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, I am trying to pose for the camera as perfect as possible. But thank y'all again so much for watching. If you're not a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and as always, nos vemos en la próxima.